Hello and a warm welcome to Simple How To's. My name is Makumke Maxi. Right, in today's video, I want to show you how to set a virtual Zoom background. Something like a background like this one that is showing on the riverside or on the beach, some palm trees or any other cool backgrounds that you can make use of. Right, so move over to Zoom, to your Zoom application. I'm doing this on a computer. All right, so you can choose, you click the option to start a meeting. All right, so there we go. We have started a meeting. If you don't know how to go about this, if you need a full video of how to start a meeting, please make use of the video that is showing to the top right of your screen or on the description links below. All right, so to change your this background that you are seeing here to a virtual background, just come here and click the option closer to stop video. Click choose a virtual background. Right, cool. Then you see, there we go. There's a nice background of a bridge on this video. All right, so that's great. Great. So we can also make use of this other all the other available backgrounds like this one from this seems like the galaxy. Oh, that's great. Showing now the background. Right. We can also make use of video. Let's say you can choose this video. Now you can see my background is just changed to this great video. Right, please take note that you may fail to use these backgrounds as they may, as Zoom may require you to download some extensions or some of these videos. Please do make sure you download them and enjoy these cool features. Right, thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss every time we publish a video. Please remember to share this video. Thank you. Stay blessed.